Hi, good evening. Today is Sunday, 28th of July. Tomorrow is 29th, and that's what this trading plan is all about. 29th July, Monday. Coming straight to the charts, daily last two trading days, Thursday and Friday, especially Friday, saw a phenomenal strong up move. All the negativity, so whatever it was completely wiped out. Market, though, if you look at Bank Nifty, made a move of almost 2,900 points plus on the downside, and Nifty made a move of almost uh, here we are 77 779. यही था ना दोबारा देख लेते हैं एक मिनट yeah, 780 points on the downside. Despite this, one strong day and Nifty is back in not only the action very strongly, but made a new all-time high. The previous high was 584, which was taken out, and the new high is now 861. Nifty now faces resistance at 900, 25029, 25,000. Remember, is a psychological level, and 25,110 on an immediate basis. Most likely, I'm expecting Nifty to open, possibly gap up. Guaranteed in this market, there is a very decent chance that Nifty will attempt gap up, obviously on an all-time high. So that is where uh, the call sellers will face the heat, and then we will see a further up move basis the short squeeze. This is very likely to happen. So look at the levels, and if you look at it in the hourly charts, the next levels that I expect broadly are 25,000 as a psychological level, 25,049, let's say 25,050, 25050, and 25,114 and 25,245 and 243, 25,375. These are all calculated levels. They will not come in one day, but they will be zigzag movement up as always. So, but eventually, these are the levels that look to be in sight. The immediate one is 25,000. However, there can be some kind of a small resistance around 900 or 25,029 and 25,110. We may see that, and then it would gun for 25050. On Bank Nifty has to yet show the strength. It is trying to, but it is still not strong. In the early charts, Bank Nifty is trading at 51. It has just crossed 50, and on for Nifty it is 72, which is good news. Um, my sense is Bank Nifty will face heat around 51,600, which is this level 51606. So 51,600, and yeah, it's the same level 51,610 and 606. It should face some kind of a heat. So Bank Nifty may not necessarily get the strength. I'll be a little surprised if it does, but abhi to lagta nahi hai basis this. It may face the resistance around 51,600, and therefore Nifty could stutter a little bit below 25,000, and it may come correct down and take support at this all-time high and then move up. Whether it happens on Monday or whether it happens on subsequent days is to be seen, but the trend definitely is up. All the dips will be bought. This is the nutshell. Keep this in mind. And India VIX is comfortably at 12.18, which is also pretty good. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है there, and the dips will continue to be bought in both the indices, especially Nifty. So if I'll trade, I will prefer to trade Nifty on the call side on Monday morning tomorrow. Okay. Bank Nifty का जो the biggest constituent है, that is HDFC Bank, it is still sitting on two gap downs. Now, if we find the The gap down. Let me see if I have the retracement here. This is likely to attempt once it move above 1618. HDFC Bank is likely to attempt 1639 and then 1656 on the way to cover this gap, which will take a few days. Probably, if all remains well, it will probably take a few days. It will find resistance at 1667 also, but then this is going to take next few days to cover that. Um, why am I a little optimistic now is because we are seeing two consecutive green candles. That means यहाँ पे शायद they have tried to find some kind of a support. This is important to understand. As you can see, in case of Reliance, the second biggest script of the day of Nifty 50, it's made some kind of a support by stopping somewhere near 2968 level, and in the third green candle has changed the trend on the upside. Okay. For ICICI Bank, the third biggest stock of Nifty 50, once again it's found support around 1188 and made a green candle and attempted to move up. It should also continue. Eventually, the move is likely to go up to 1255 or so. And IT, which is really doing wonders now, Infosys is sitting on a gap up. This is the gap up, just in case you would like to see. This is the gap that Infosys has made on 19 July. So 19 July का जो gap up है, it has been respected and new all-time high, not all-time high, new swing high is made. All-time high is far ahead. Swing high is made. So it's now facing resistance at 1880. So all seems to be well for now. We have to watch the buy on dips. Dips will be bought. Trend has clearly been set by Nifty for the upside, and what we were looking for was a close on weekly basis above 24505, which obviously happened and was clear right in the first hour itself, and it's finally closed at the new all-time high. So all that negativity is completely wiped out. Abhi to jitna bhi dip aayega, that will be a buy on dips opportunity. So have a nice weekend today and have a nice week ahead. Have a green and positive week ahead. Bye bye. See you tomorrow at 9 o'clock.